Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very simple quiz. Basically here we have three basic operations: minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm task and BODMAS method and find out the correct result. In the answer list we have three answers: A is 20, B is 40 and C is 0.6. So we have to solve this quiz using palm task and BODMAS method and find out the correct result. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expressions. So according to the rule, BODMAS and POMDAS rule, we have here 4 steps to solve any given expression. So what are the rules? B stands for bracket and P stands for parenthesis, which means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve first this bracket. Step number 2 is basically you have to solve the exponent part or order of any number. So if your expression contains any power, so you have to solve that part in step number 2. Step number 3 is basically you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. If division part is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We will go left to right in our expression and find out which is coming first. If addition is coming first, so we have to solve the addition first. And if subtraction is coming first, so we have to solve the subtraction first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. So, as per rule, we have to solve the first bracket. So, here we have two brackets. One is this one, another one is this one. So, first of all, I'm solving this one, first one. So, I'm writing as it is other part. So 5 divided by 6 minus 1 equals to 5. And this part I'm writing as it is. Actually, I'm basically following each step in each line. So 6 minus 1 equals to 5. Now, move forward to solve another bracket, which is 4 multiplied by 2. So I'm writing like this part, and 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. So here I am giving the reference 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. Now, move forward to solve the step number 2. So according to the BODMAS, we have to solve the exponent part in rule number 2, step number 2. So here we do not have any exponent part. So now we will skip this step. Step number 3 is basically you have to solve division and multiplication. So some of you in our you will say like I'm using the BODMAS, so I will solve D first, like this part I'm solving first. And some will say like I'm using PAMDAS, so I will solve the multiplication, which is this one. So no, this is not good. The rule is similar for both. So what we will do, we will go left to right in our expression and find out which is part coming first. So here we have division. So both has division and multiplication has similar precedence. So we will solve the which is coming first. So 5 multiplied by 8, I'm writing as it. So now I will give the reference like 25 divided by 5 equals to 5. Now move forward. We have here two terms which is multiply each other. So 5 multiplied by 8 equals to 40. So the answer of the given expression is 40, not 0.4 or something. So if you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.